Hello and welcome to I Nurture videos. In this video, we will discuss the functions of primitive and user-defined ordinal data types. At the end of this video, you will be able to state the functions of primitive and user-defined ordinal data types. A data type is defined as a collection of data objects and a set of predefined operations on those objects. The two data types we are going to discuss are primitive and user-defined ordinal data type. First, let's learn about primitive data type. Primitive data type is a data type that is not defined in terms of other data types. Some examples of primitive data type are integer, floating point, complex, decimal, boolean and character. Let's discuss each in detail. The most common type of primitive data type is the numeric data type known as integer. The integer data type may be of different sizes and the values may be signed or unsigned. The size of integers is supported by all programming languages. Most of the integer types are supported directly by the hardware. For example, Java contains 4 signed integer sizes: byte, short, int and long. Floating point data types are approximated model real numbers. Usually these values are expressed with a decimal point. Floating point values are characterized as fractions and exponents, a form which is copied from scientific notation. The complex data type is supported by a few programming languages. It consists of real part and imaginary part. Fortran and Python are the common examples of complex data types. The decimal data type is used for accuracy in business applications. It stores a fixed number of decimal digits in the form of a binary coded decimal, BCD. In BCD representation, you can use binary numbers from 0000 to 1001 only, whose decimal equivalent ranges from 0 to 9. The main advantage of decimal value is its accuracy and the disadvantages is limited range and wastes the memory. The Boolean data type is the simplest data type with only 2 ranges of values, true and false. They were introduced in Algol 60. It is represented in bits but often referred to as bytes. The character data type stores the characters as numeric code. The most commonly used coding was the 8-bit code. ASCII is the most commonly used code which gives 128 characters. Alternatively, a 16-bit code defined as Unicode includes characters from natural languages. Now let's learn about the next data type, user-defined ordinal data type. A user-defined ordinal data type is the one in which a range of possible values can be easily associated with a set of positive integers. Integer, character, Boolean are the examples of primitive ordinal types. There are 2 types of user-defined ordinal data types. They are enumeration and subrange types. An enumeration type enables all possible values named as constants provided in the definition. It supports readability and reliability. It is implemented as integers. A subrange type defines a subset of values of a particular data type. It supports readability and reliability. Let us have a quick recap on what we discussed. A data type defines a collection of data objects and a set of predefined operations on those objects. Primitive data type is a data type that is not defined in terms of other data types. A user-defined ordinal data type is one in which a range of possible values can be easily associated with a set of positive integers. Thank you for watching this video.